Hello, good morning everyone. Ayan, ano kayong ginagawa ng asawa ko? Ayan. Andito ako sa kitchen namin. Ayan. Magpe-prepare ako mamaya ng aking lulutuin at magre-ready ako sa food to share ng anak ko. Ayan. Magla-live ako noon, kaya naman paantay na lang. Ayan to, kakukuha ko lang ng nilabhan ko at meron pa ako sa likod. Ang dami-dami. Ayan, naglilinis kami ngayon kasi may mga event na mangyayari. Ayan, to kitchen. Ayan, tingnan natin yung asawa ko Ito yung pool namin, guys. Ayan, hindi pa namin binubuksan yung fountain para ma-filter. Ayan, yung mga halaman natin. Then, ito ang aking barbecue area. Maliit na yung barbecue ko. Ayan. Pang sa amin lang talaga. Ching! Tingnan natin asawa ko. Busy-busy siya. Ayan na siya. Cha-cha! Ito ang aking garden. Hi!
Hi. Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to?
No.
No one. I'm
You're
talking to
vlogging.
myself. Yeah.
Mate, yeah. I'm watering the grass we don't have, so it's gonna grow. It's gonna turn green.
Oh, si Daisy. And ito yung aming labas. May garden kami sa labas. May garden din kami sa loob. Ayan. Ito ang aming mga kapitbahay. Ching! At syempre, nananahimik ang aming sasakyan. Okay. Good job, Baba.
I've got to wash it down now with the marking. See the yellow? Let's try to clean that off.
That's part of the garden anyway. Kasi you paint it white.
Oh, what can I do? That's the best color for it.
Black and white, black and white, black and white. We supposed to put rocks, pebbles, di ba?
Yeah.
But a bit expensive, so budget muna.
You're gonna spend enough money?
Oo, next time we're gonna do one by one. Yeah. We're gonna do one by one kasi it's gonna have Christmas and all that. Alam niyo na. Ayan, ito ang aking halaman. Ayan, actually hindi ko siya halaman. Ayan. Halaman niya nung tenant ko dati. Ngayon, pinabalik ko dito yung akin. Pero yung iba dito, akin talaga yan. Ayan. That is job every weekend. Clean up the outside house.
Clean the pool, clean the garden, cut the garden,
Yeah, that is job.
wash the car.
We don't have maid, guys.
Wash the car.
We are the maid.
We're 40-foot family. We like to do everything ourselves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ayan, guys. Medyo malaki yung bahay ko. Not medyo. Malaki talaga siya. So, malaki talaga yung ninisan namin. Pero, siyempre, kapag gusto mo maka-achieve, mag-work tayo ng bongga at mag-iipon tayo para may ma-achieve tayo sa buhay. Ayan. Nagpe-flex ko lang yung bahay ko a little bit. Not all around my house. Kasi nga, syempre, medyo malaki-laking linisin. Marami akong linisin. Ayan. Ito yung pool ko. Malapit na siyang maging ready to swim na. Kaya lang as of now, pinapaano ko muna yung water niya para maganda yung temperature, hindi masira yung balat ng ating mga bebe. Ayan. Guys, nag-enjoy kayo sa house tour ko. Hindi na siya full house tour ha. Kasi may third floor pa ako, guys. Medyo sobrang laki ng bahay ko. Kaya, yan. Meron akong dyan, second floor. Actually, yung bahay ko before, open plan siya. Kaya lang pina-close na namin siya. Kasi, para may iba-iba naman. Ayan. Then, nilipat namin yung door. Ganyan. Marami kaming ginawa. Alam niyo ba yun? Charot. Ayan. Kaya naman, guys. Ayan. See you on my next vlog. Bye!